Hello student, today we are going to discuss about our most important chapter for class 12 physics, optics. Here in our syllabus optics, the two parts. Number one part is ray optic and number two part is wave optic. In our video, the all explanation which we are going to discuss is given and syllabus oriented all things is given. From the first part is ray optic and the second part of wave optic. Now we know that 14 marks question and we can get in the HS examination in from this chapter. So explain about optics. First things we needed to know the light. All the light oriented things explanation is in our optics chapter. First things, that is what is light. We know that light is a form of energy, but this is a minimum concept of light. We can tell you that light is that part of electromagnetic spectrum which help us to see various objects. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम के बारे में अगर कुछ एग्जाम्पल देनी है तो बताओ। गामा रेज, एक्स रेज, यूवी रेज, उसके बाद वीक्यूज, उसके बाद इंफ्रारेड रेज, उसके बाद रेडियो रेज, ऐसे ऐसे इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम ऐसे हमारा होता है। तो जब जब इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम के बारे में हम बोलते तब अगर गामा से अगर रेडियो एक्टिव वेव तक तुम लोग जाओगे तो इसका वेवलेंथ इंक्रीज होते जाएगी, ठीक है। तो लाइट उसी चीज़ एक्सप्लेनेशन की इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रे है जिसका वी कैन सी इट, ठीक है, जिसको हम लोग दिखा करते हैं, ठीक है। जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम हम लोग देख पाते हैं उसी को हम लोग लाइट बोलते हैं, ठीक है। तो उसका वेवलेंथ 4000 एंगस्ट्रॉम से 8000 एंगस्ट्रॉम तक होता है। So now we are turned back to optic. So optic, what will be optic? The study of light will be the optic. In our syllabus oriented, the first I am telling you the ray optic. So what is ray optic? The basic concept of ray optic, we can tell you that the geometrical optic will be the ray optic. Here in ray optic some object के बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं, okay. The dimension of object are bigger than wavelength of light. इधर ऑब्जेक्ट की डायमेंशन हमेशा क्या होगा, बड़ा होगा इस चीज़ के हिसाब से, वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट के हिसाब से हमेशा बड़ा होगा, ठीक है। Which types of object? Like a mirror and lens, prism, these types of object we are including in here, okay. So in ray optics, the optics, what is, we know that, and second things we want to know, what is ray. ray क्या है? Path of light is called ray. When light, we know that light always going to the straight line. So path of light is called a ray. And second things is that the beam. In our video you can see the definition of ray and definition of beam also. I am individually writing here. The bundle of rays, in a single word we can tell you that the bundle of rays is called beam, okay. So individually the 3 or 4 things we are giving explanation in the video, and in the written portion all the things is given. You can note it, and next day I give you the explanation about the reflection of light in our two planes also. That is the, and how can I form the image in next video. Okay.